morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Dear children, today we learn the concept of question tags. Here, you have been given 10 sentences. You need to add question tags to particular sentences. Also, you need to explain how the answer comes. Get ready. First chance goes to Charan. Good, Charan. How did you get the answer? Can you explain?
Have is a helping verb, sir.
Have is a helping verb.
Yes, sir.
Right. And then,
Sir, have is a helping verb, sir.
so you have added helping verb here.
Not is not included in the sentence, sir.
Right. Not is not included in this sentence.
Yes, sir.
So you have added a not here.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes haven't. Have not becomes haven't. Then why did you add I here?
Subject.
Yes,
Sentence.
I is the subject. The subject may be a noun or pronoun. However, you need to convert that particular subject into its pronoun form only. And then, how did you end the sentence here?
Question.
Yes, the question tag has been ended with a question mark. It is mandatory. And now, next chance goes to Anusha. Your name is Vani, isn't it? That's a sensible answer. But I'm curious to know, how did you get the answer? Please explain.
Sir, in this sentence is in help verb, sir.
Right?
So we write is first, sir.
That's nice.
After that, in the sentence, there is no not, sir.
Yes, not is not included in the sentence. Then what did you do?
So we write in this, sir.
You have added a not in the tag. Right? It becomes isn't. Is not becomes isn't. Then why did you add it here?
After your is subject, sir. But in this, you will write it, sir.
So name. Name is the subject here. So you have added it instead of name. Right?
Yes, sir. After that, we add question tag, sir.
That's fine. That's splendid performance by you. Good. Go. Nagendra, you write the answer for the third sentence. We enjoy a lot, don't we? So that's the question tag written by Nagendra. Nagendra, please explain to me how you have added don't here.
There is not the helping verb, sir.
There is no helping verb. Which helping verb was preferred by you here?
Do, sir.
Since the word not is not included in the sentence, you might have added not here. Do not becomes don't. But the thing is that, why did you prefer do instead of did or does?
And there is human form, sir.
Enjoy is in V1 form. Main verb or action word enjoy is in its V1 form. So he opted to do instead of does or did. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then you ended up the question tag with V. That is the subject indicated there. And question mark comes at the end. That's good. Sit down. Next chance goes to Manasa. Yes. Raju played cricket, didn't he? Then, why did you write didn't he? Please explain to all of us.
Sir, played is video form, sir.
Played is in V2 form. You have taken the helping verb did.
Sir.
Right. Then, did not include in the sentence.
Not is not including in this sentence, sir.
Not is not included in the sentence. So you are added here.
Yes, sir.
So did plus not. Did and not becomes didn't.
Yes, sir.
Then
Raju means
Raju is a boy. So you have added he instead of she. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Then how did you end the sentence?
Question mark, sir.
Yes, you have ended this particular question tag with a question mark.
Yes, sir.
And next chance goes to Archana. Sarala didn't visit your house, did she? You added the question tag, did she? Why? Please explain to all of us. This particular sentence helping verb is did. So you added did in the beginning of the question tag. Then the sentence is included with not. So it has been omitted while writing the question tag here. There is no not here. Did. And then which is the pronoun taken up by you here? She. Sarala is a girl, so she has written she instead of he. Did she? Then the question tag gets ended with a question mark. And the next chance goes to Chaitra Vihita. Please come. Mitra likes sweets, doesn't he? She has written the question tag, doesn't he? Then justify your answer.
There is a no helping verb, sir.
Yes, there is no helping verb. Instead, which kind of a verb is there?
Like, sir.
Likes. So it's a main verb. It's also an action word. Instead of a main verb, which helping verb is taken up by you while writing question tag?
Does not, he said.
You are taking does. Then why haven't you preferred do or did?
The pronoun he is followed by does, sir.
The pronoun he is followed by does. That's why you opted for does there. Then why did you write not there?
Not is not including helping verb, sir.
Yes, not is not included in this sentence. Does not becomes doesn't. Then which pronoun has been added by you?
He said.
Yes, he. The pronoun he has been added by you. And it is followed by?
Question mark, sir.
Yes, it is followed by question mark. Because at the end of every question tag, there should be a question mark. Right? And now, Santosh has bagged the next opportunity. Santosh, please come. Pawan can't play chess. Can he? You have added the question tag, can he? How did you get this answer? Please explain. It is a helping verb, can. So can is there in the helping verbs list. Not is there or not in this sentence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in this sentence there is the word not. Why did you write only can instead of cannot?
In this sentence cannot in words.
Yes, you are right. If there is a word not in a sentence, it has to be omitted while writing the question tag. So instead of can't, he has added can here. Then why did you write he here?
Pawan is a boy, sir.
Yes, since Pawan is a boy or man, he replaced Pawan with he. And finally, which punctuation mark has been added by you?
Question mark, sir.
Question mark. That's a fantastic answer. Please go to your place. And now, next chance goes to Srividya. He will meet you tomorrow. Won't he? That's the answer written by Srividya. Srividya, please justify your answer here. Won't he? How did you get it?
In this sentence, will is helping verb, sir.
That's good.
In this sentence, there is no not included in this sentence, sir. So we write won't, sir. In this sentence, he is subject, sir. So we write he in here, sir. In the sentence ends with question mark, sir.
Splendid. And next chance goes to Tulasi. The party seems to be really lively, doesn't it? Doesn't it is the question tag has been added by Tulasi. Tulasi, please explain.
Seems is a famous, sir.
Okay, seems is in main verb and it is in V1 or V2 form?
V1, sir.
V1 form. Right. Then why did you prefer does instead of do?
Because the party takes pronoun with it.
And it is followed by does instead of do. That's wonderful answer delivered by Tulasi. And last but not the least, Varalakshmi, please come. He withdrew his statement, didn't he? She has added the question tag, didn't he? Varalakshmi, please explain to all of us.
In this sentence, there is a main verb with the drew.
The main verb withdrew is in its V2 form. So you opted for did. Since there is no not here, you have added a not here. So did not becomes didn't. And which pronoun has been taken up by you?
He, sir.
He becomes he here. And it is followed by the punctuation mark?
Question mark.
Question mark. So the question tag here is didn't he? Dear students, this is all about this session. And I will be coming up with yet another interesting topic in my tomorrow's session. Until then, bye.